Hey everyone. Welcome back to My Reseller Home. Today, we're diving into the 3 most common cPanel email problems and showing you how to troubleshoot and fix them quickly. Whether you're having trouble sending, receiving, or accessing your emails, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Problem number 1, can't send emails. First up, if you're unable to send emails from your cPanel email account, it often comes down to SMTP settings or server restrictions. Step 1. Check SMTP server settings. Make sure you're using the correct SMTP server details provided by your host. Usually, it's something like mail.yourdomain.com with the right port, usually 465 for SSL or 587 for TLS. Step 2. Verify email client settings. Double-check your username and password. Also, ensure SSL/TLS is enabled if required. Step 3. Check for outgoing mail limits. Some hosting providers limit the number of emails sent per hour. Contact your host if you're hitting those limits. Step 4. Review spam or block lists. If your IP is blacklisted, your emails might be blocked. Use tools like MX Toolbox to check. If all settings are correct, but you still can't send emails, try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus to rule out interference. Problem number 2, emails not receiving. Next, if your inbox isn't receiving emails, here's what to check. Step 1, verify MX records. Log into cPanel, go to DNS Zone Editor, and confirm your MX records point to the correct mail server. Incorrect MX records are a common cause. Step 2, check email forwarders and filters. Sometimes, emails are being forwarded or filtered into spam. Review your email filters in cPanel under Email Filters. Step 3, inspect spam folder. Make sure your emails aren't landing in spam. Step 4, confirm email quota. If your mailbox is full, new emails won't arrive. Check your quota in cPanel under Email Accounts. If issues persist, consider restarting the email service in cPanel or contacting your hosting provider for server-side problems. Problem number 3, unable to access email via webmail. Finally, if you can't log into webmail, here's what to do. Step 1, use correct URL. Access webmail via yourdomain.com/webmail or webmail.yourdomain.com. Step 2, reset password. Ensure you're using the right password. Reset it in cPanel if needed. Step 3, clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, browser issues cause login problems. Try clearing cache or using incognito mode. Step 4, check for SSL issues. If your SSL certificate is invalid or expired, secure login pages may block access. Update or reissue your SSL certificate if necessary. If you still can't access, test with a different browser or device. For persistent issues, contact your hosting support. And that's it. Those are the 3 most common cPanel email problems and how to troubleshoot them. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.